Good morning. A beautiful day here in sunny Pennsylvania. I'm here at the Dover Antique Mall in Dover, PA. I haven't been here in a while, so I'm excited to go in and check it out. Let's go see what we can find today. Well, this is the first little taste of Christmas I see. I'm going to start on this shelf. I love this booth. The little crystal cat is fun, and that's a nice Mary Gregory, even though I don't like a lot of Mary Gregory. It's not really my style. The little oil lamp is gorgeous. But it's actually these deer over here. 15. Well, that's a great deal. Is it repaired? Nope. Yeah, I'll definitely take that. And then down here, the little Santa. It's missing his balloon, but he's only $15, made in Korea. Seems to work too. What's this one? That's cute. A little snow globe. Usually they're filled with liquid, and I don't ship liquid. Oh my gosh, look at this angel bell. She's amazing. She's like paper thin glass. I think that might be Italian. That is so dainty. Wow, she's amazing. I don't really want to transport that, though, as many times as I'm going to have to. I like this cat eyeglass holder. That's fun. Definitely a contemporary piece. It's, let's see, $16.15. That's probably about retail on that. I love these pig salt and pepper shakers. Unfortunately, they've definitely seen better days. And then here I see the little frosted glass owl. Set of 2. That's actually a pretty good deal. But I have a lot of clear owls right now, so I'm trying to stick to color. Wow, look at this candy jar. And I feel like black glass has been so popular. It's $33 and 15% off. Honestly, because of its regalness, I feel like there's still some room to be made, but I don't want to have that much invested into it and have to pack it up and ship it. It's going to cost a lot in shipping materials. Well, look at this. No way. Lefton Bluebird Creamer. $18 and 15% off. That's insane. It's got that one little tiny chip on the bottom side, but you can barely see it when it's sitting up front. That definitely passes. That's a great freaking deal and so hard to come by. Gonna get that. And I like the little Fenton candle holder, but it's definitely underwhelming after our epic Kitsch find. And then over here, I see this Gibson apple. That's really great. Like the iridescence in that. $24 and 15% off is definitely a good deal. But alas, what is this weird little cat box behind it? Oh my gosh, that's so strange. I love that it's a lacquered box with a cat on it for $8.50. Oh my gosh, and it's got the red lining too. I think this is Russian, actually. I thought it was going to be made in India, but the quality of the lacquered, especially on the inside, leads me to believe. And yeah, the base is right too. Yeah, that's Russian. That's amazing. That's definitely coming with me. Look at this hilarious turtle planter. I love it. Mushroom salt and pepper shakers. With a little ladybug on them. They're hobbyist. $10, but I see a big crack. Ooh, look at the carnival glass hand. That's awesome. $38. I can't do much with that. It doesn't leave enough room, but gosh, that's tempting. I never see it in carnival. That's so cool. Over here, it looks like Little Red Riding Hood. Oh, close. Almost Red Riding Hood. She's got a red hood, so she's got that going for her. Little glass frog, that's fun. And I see the Merry Mushroom salt and pepper shakers. 24 and 20% off. That's actually a pretty good deal. It's got a little chip right there. I like this compote. Hand painted. Probably bohemian. It's only 14. I don't know how well that would do. Oh my gosh. These are so great. Look at the magnetic pig salt and pepper shakers. They're in really good condition. Wait, they're only $4? Well, for $4, that's a no-brainer. I thought it said 14 at first. And then I see the Nodder cat and salt and pepper shakers. Honestly, at 24, there's still like a little room, but not enough to get super excited about. Little cat. That's fun. I've had that before. Oh, praying hands, I win, Dagny. I always like this booth back here. Oh, the goblet, that's fun. Those have done well for me in the past. But again, I'm kind of looking for different stuff. As usual, I see the Lefton owl. How much is he? 22. Some uranium glass here. I like the refrigerator dish. It's hard to find them with the lid. $40 with, I guess there's like a little chip maybe, as found. Nice little colorful pocket back here. I like that blue. I think that's going to be Bischoff. It's a really pretty shade. Oh, look at Santa and Mrs. Claus. Those are adorable. 17. Salt and pepper shakers. And the Lefton Leprechaun 22. That's a really good deal too. So I am planning on doing some Christmas jewelry. $3 each. Let's pick out some. I'm going to get the ceramic Santa. I'm going to get... The penguin's kind of fun. That's different. I feel like penguin could be Christmas. Oh my gosh. Look at this celluloid doll with the real hair. She's amazing. The little... Wait, it's the bride and groom? $10. Oh, they're in such great condition for their age. We have to get those. And then, what's this? Cast. Oh, the frog is fun. That's only 12. I like this little pin cushion. That's really sweet looking. And then the cat candle holder. Like the mini pottery too. I love miniatures. What's on the other side? Hold on. Oh my gosh. Look at this elephant bank. $9. He's absolutely fantastic. I've never seen that one before, and he's in great condition. That's definitely coming with me. And then I see the fuzzy ceramic cat. That one's at 12. Brins Japan. That's a really good deal. And the fur and whiskers is in good shape too. A lot of the times they're kind of busted when I find them, so I'll take that. And then this almost looks like it could be Blue Mountain. No, it's not. It's not what I thought it was. It's still neat though. 18 on that. I love the used to go pony figurine. 20. That's a little close for me. Hold on. Yeah, this is the side I was trying to get to. I love this bisque doll. She's fantastic. 15. That's a really good deal. I love her little dress. She's sweet. Oh my gosh. I don't do a lot of ornaments and stuff, but this... Hold on, let me put you down. This Shiny Bright with the pink is fantastic. I'm kind of nervous about how that would do shipping. That's really fun. Hey, hold on. Look at this. That is not exactly what I thought it was. Kind of looked like a Steuben almost, but the base is not correct at all. I have a Steuben owl, actually. Don't tell Jacob. Shh. More Christmas hiding back here. Oh, it's not what I thought. That's the hobbyist version of a figurine that sells really well. Ooh, I like this booth. This looks like it could be Czech. Probably is. 22. I like that kind of basket weave effect on it. It's different. I see some bigger Blinko pieces. I like the Candy Apothecary, the Empoli. That's at 120 back there. Some Jadeite. 28 each on the mugs. Fire King. Ooh, let me put my basket down and sneak in here. the little compacts. So sweet. And the Fenton Bear, that's a nice color. More into this Roseville, $2.25. Oh my gosh, look at the Kanawha salt and pepper shakers and Amberina. Those are fantastic. This booth has some really great stuff. Oh, it's the banana decanter. How funny. I see the pretzel a lot, but I don't see the banana. Awesome. This is my friend Rebecca's booth. She's so great. She's on Whatnot too. She has amazing stuff. Look, she's got an owl display. It's almost like she knew I was coming. Holy cow, look at this. Oh my gosh. That's wild with the satin finish. That's amazing. I'm really into this slag glass compote. That's really pretty. 22. I feel like there's a little room in that still. That's gotta be Kanawha. That Williamsburg Glass Company. That's really pretty. All right, let's check out the owl situation. Now I see this purse. It's made to look like a Enid Collins. $18 on the owl purse. That's insane. Yeah, it's like a hobbyist piece made to look like a Enid Collins. That's amazing. I kind of like how it's unfinished. Also, a little owl creamer. I like this owl jar. $50. That's actually a pretty good price. I have one in milk glass. I see something else. Hold on, I'm stuck on myself. I saw the cats. Those are fantastic. She has like straight up cat sales on Whatnot. She's great stuff. The Raku cat. Oh my gosh, I love this thing so much. It's still a little close for me. And the 5-finger. Some uranium here. This is a gorgeous Empoli candy jar. This is a fun set. I usually see the picture. I never see these. Oh my gosh, set of 4 for $24. Those are super fun. I might pick those up just because they'd be great, like little head vases or something. I feel like you could repurpose those. And the Neiman Marcus lady, she's fantastic. I've had that before. I'm in love with this snowman. Unfortunately, he's styrofoam, and I'm nervous to transport him. I've had some bad runs with styrofoam stuff, but he's very cute. All right, here's the other side of that first booth I found the deer in. They always have such great stuff. There's that Royal Deuce lady. She's amazing. Here's another booth I usually find some great stuff in. I'm actually just gonna put my basket down because I have a feeling I'm gonna be here for a minute. I already see this like fox cat. I love that. That's most likely Pilgrim glass. $19 and 15%. Decent, but I just had one similar. Oh my gosh, I'm like crawling around on the ground. And that's a pretty Amberina glass pumpkin. I'm more into these happy face mugs though. The smiley mugs. Those are McCoy. $11. That's a good price. They lost their paint somewhere along the way. But still. And you know, I couldn't help but notice whatever this weird blowfish thing is. I know it's a new thing, but it's hilarious. But the horse behind it, oh my gosh, how cute. Used to go. What is this thing? Bear cub. It's a very ambiguous animal. Here I see another glass cat. That one is at 16 and 15%. Another good deal, but I'm being very, very selective today. At least I'm trying to be. I always feel like those are my famous last words. What in the heck? This is so strange. See a cat hiding over here. He's kind of awesome. Japan, $4. Can't really go wrong with that. Ah, look at this celluloid doll. He is so great. $15. He's got his back of his feet torn out like they usually do, but his front is in great condition. I wouldn't want that for resale, but for, oh gosh, they're so fragile. You see what I'm saying? I'm nervous about transporting. I have a couple that I've bought that have just been like too far gone that I've kept for myself. What's this ashtray? Oh, that's so fun with the Scotty dog. Very Art Deco. It's got a little wear, but it's also only $3. Not sure about the paint loss right there. It's a little awkward spot for it. Holy cow, look at this case that's hiding in the corner. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm starting at the top. Wow. So much great stuff. The little beaded, like the hobbyist Santa jar. Down here, some jadeite, more Santas. Whatever this, Holt Howard Oreo cookie jar. What? Is that a thing? I'm really distracted by the Valentine's Day planters, let's be honest, but that's really unusual. It's locked, so I'd have to get a key to further investigate. That's a cool one. That vase back there. Yeah, but I'm really just distracted by the Valentine's Day stuff. Oh gosh, it's really hidden in here. 45 on the left. Oh, she's got a huge chip. That's a shame. Such great stuff. Valentine's Day is actually my favorite holiday, and it's one of the hardest holidays to find stuff for. And when you see Japan Ceramics Valentine's Day, they're usually really good. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's so funny. It's a reprint, but it's made to look like Holt Howard, the starry-eyed Santa. I remember this Fenton case. The lamps are amazing. They're $400 each. This is gorgeous too. That's at $150, but I love this on the stand. That's so pretty. And then this piece, interesting. I've never seen that before. It almost looks like it's part of a fairy lamp. It's like a hybrid between a fairy lamp and a rose bowl. This is a really pretty hand-painted piece as well. $18. And then look at the little bride and groom figurine. It's the bell. That's so sweet. And then in here, look at that gorgeous uranium bowl. That's amazing. Successful trip to Dover Antique Mall. I'm gonna hop in the car and I think I'm gonna go somewhere I haven't been in a very long time, like probably 5 years.